Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Use a knife to peel off the front left guard sticker. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the upper left guard. Tilt the guard lower section out and up to remove. Repeat procedure to remove the upper right guard on the opposite side. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the 6 screws securing the bottom cover. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 4 screws securing the front air deflector. Use a 10 mm wrench to remove the screw securing the horn. Replace the horn and secure it on the frame. Tighten the 4 screws to secure the front air deflector. Tighten the 6 screws to secure the bottom cover. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the upper left guard. Follow the same steps to secure the upper right guard. Reapply or replace the stickers. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the seat assembly. Close the battery compartment cover.